Hello guys, my name is Fetuga Mojeed and basically I'm so happy, I'm so delighted to have you in this series. You are welcome to this series of learning web development and using affiliate marketing business model. There are tons of opportunity that would come along with this daily guide. For the next 7 days, I would be sending you daily guides. All you need to do is go through the guides, watch the video, read the notes I'm going to attach to it, and follow the steps to achieve the skill sets, learning web development and affiliate marketing. My name is Fetuga Mojeed Olalekan, and in this series, let me just bring down my cameras so that you'll be able to see the screen. So in this series, I'm going to just take you, it's going to be free, I'm going to talk about web development, I'm going to talk about digital solution. We are all experiencing a need to move whatsoever skills you have acquired or you wish to acquire, you desire to acquire, to move it digitally. There is no gainsaying in that. We all just understand the reasons because it is important. So how do you get a digital framework, a virtual office, set up a website, set up a source of income? Okay, I'm going to take you through step by step within 7 days of active engagements. I'm personally going to be working with you, so please, as I'm giving my own time, my skill set, my knowledge, in order to help you acquire the skill set or help you become better in learning web development and affiliate marketing, I beseech that you to take it seriously and you give it the best of your efforts. So basically, my name is Fetuga Mojeed Olalekan. I've said that almost 3 times. Okay, I'm a web-based marketing solution developer. So when we say web-based marketing solution developer, I build websites and I run social media channels, campaign on Facebook, on Google Ads, and what have you. Basically, we generate leads. Leads are potential customers for our customers, and we drive traffic to some of the e-commerce stores and sales page. But affiliate marketing is a very good lucrative business, and that is why I'm doing a free guide in order to put you through. Okay, you should follow me on my social media and I have YouTube channel here whereby I have tons of video available on YouTube that you can actually benefit yourself with their free guides. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on. So basically, some of these are my major business. Okay, MojeedFetuga.com is the major primary site that we actually started with. Messenger Panda is an email solution. Flipper Shoes is an e-commerce stores for shoes. Okay, and e-commerce networking is basically for network marketing products, KD, long reach and for whereby we actually build an e-commerce store for it. We generate downlines potentially through lead generation online, and we have the product available online for order. So an overview, a work overview of what we are going to cover in the next 7 days. Okay, the first one is that we are going to look at web development, where we talk about server, we talk about domain, we talk about content marketing system, management system, that is CMS, how to use your WordPress, and some of the page builders that are very easy, drag and drop page builders. We'll talk about the content, where do you get your content from, how do you design your website. Okay, we will also need to talk about email solution, because when you are talking about affiliate marketing, you are talking about a system whereby you can actually automate. Then automation comes through email, autoresponder, sequence, and what have you. So email solution will be coming up, where we talk about self-hosted email solution or third-party email solution. We'll talk about the setting up and integration to your website, the content and the automation, how you can actually set them. And of course, we need to look at affiliate marketing programs available. CJ is very popular. Messenger Panda has an affiliate marketing, JVZoo and what have you. We are going to show you how to set them up. Then we talk about payment method. You have to create PayPal, you have to create Payoneer accounts and what have you. We are going to show you step by step how to do all this. And the last but not the least, that is not added to this, but an added advantage for anybody who opts in and who is ready to do the job to go through this process, is the digital marketing services or solution, where I'm going to take you through how to build your Facebook campaign and how to grow your content organically through YouTube and what have you. I'm going to give you insights to building and running your successful affiliate marketing program. But whether you are running the affiliate marketing program, at the end of this guide, you should be able to have a virtual, very profitable skill set on web development. And that is one of the goals. At the end of this guide, you should be able to say, yes, you have gotten a good background of guide to web development. So I'm going to send you the first task for today. I'm going to send you a guide tomorrow. You need to be checking your mail, so you'll be checking your mail as constant as possible. I'm going to be giving you a continuous guide. But for today, the first thing you are going to do is to register a PayPal account. Of course, you can just go to paypal.com, but there is a link here, and I'm going to put a link in the mail. Most of the links I'm going to be sending to you, like this is not an affiliate link, so you can just go to paypal.com, but I would recommend that you follow through the link. Why? Some of the links I will be sending to you will be affiliate links, and the essence of this is this: if I send to you affiliate link, it's not going to take or deduct any money from you at all. Affiliate links will not deduct money from you, but it's going to take you to the sites or to the location that you really need to do the needful. You have to make your payment, whether you click through my affiliate link or you do not click through my affiliate link. You have to get a server, whether you click through my affiliate link or not. You have to get a domain, whether you click through my affiliate link or not. So it takes nothing away from you. If you click through my affiliate link, I will appreciate it. And of course, that is just a mutual, let me say, benefit. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is to click on the link in the email to go to paypal.com. Now, if you go to paypal.com, you are going to immediately, let me click. When you get to paypal.com, the first thing you are going to do is to register an account. Just sign up. It's simple, it's free, and of course, select. I already have PayPal, so I'm not going to use my email to sign up. So you just need to select your region, your name, and what have you. If you notice, it's so simple. But if you notice, once you sign up, you would be making use of PayPal to make payments. However, in order to receive payments, that is why I mentioned Payoneer account here is what you are going to be using to receive payments. And Payoneer is very, very easy to attach to most of these, like CJ and what have you. You can easily use Payoneer account to receive your payment, and you can actually use it to send to your Naira account here in Nigeria or anywhere in the country you may be watching this guide from. So the first thing is that you should register for PayPal, okay? And once you register for PayPal, so once you register for your PayPal, you have to link an account with your PayPal account. You have to link an account you just have to link an account with your PayPal account. I will show you where you have to go through, where you just need to link your normal Naira card with your PayPal account. Just when you come to your PayPal, once you come to your PayPal, you need to go to your settings, come to your settings, come to your account settings, and under your account setting come to money, bank and cards. Of course, you have to fill all your business accounts profile. So the next thing you need to do is to add a new card. Just click add a new card, and you enter your contents, your card details, and you link the card. Now once you link the card, it's going to verify the card by deducting a dollar from your account, and it's going to refund that account as soon as possible. So the most important thing is just to link a card with your PayPal account. The reason why you need to create PayPal is that most of the transactions you may be doing as far as this training is concerned would need to go through PayPal payment. And it's simple. Just once you get to PayPal, you sign up and you go to your settings, you go to money, card payment, money, bank and cards, and you link your Naira card with your PayPal account, and that is all. Tomorrow, God willing, I'm going to take you through a detailed step on how you can actually start working on your server. So we are going to start tomorrow looking at web development, looking at server, looking at domain, and we'll be able to work on these tomorrow. Tomorrow guide will talk detail on that. So check your email for tomorrow guide. We pray that God sees us through tomorrow, past tomorrow, and I say thank you and God bless.